In this video, I will run through loads component of the construction tab. Press Home, New, and open a new project. Loads. I rarely use this group because I typically would apply loads as a final circuit in my distribution boards in here. But if I wanted to have a fire alarm, if I lose final circuit load, and I could name this fire alarm panel. The problem is this cable is not recognized as submain. It will be recognized as final circuit. This is not what I want. That's why I never use them. When I need fire alarm, I want this fire alarm cable to be treated the same as sub distribution circuit for the purpose of reporting. So I'm going to delete that. And the way I would create fire alarm, in this instance, I just copied Control-C, Control-V distribution board. I change its size, I change its name, and I will name it fire alarm panel. Let's move that up here. It's out of the way. Let's select a cable, single phase cable, and connect. Why? Okay. That's because the disboard is 3-phase. So I'm going to change the disboard to 1-phase, and now select the cable, and now it will work. Happy days. I just use distribution boards for various purposes. I also use distribution board if I have scenario like this. I Control-C, Control-V, that distribution board, copy it and paste it. Let's say I've got 2 distribution boards fed from one single isolator. So I have one supply cable to isolator, and then let's say I have, this is integral, feeding 2 distribution boards. So if that's the case, this is how I'm going to represent this arrangement. So instead of calling it distribution board, I double click on the name. I will name this isolator, and you can add different reference. So you probably want different reference, so you want to know what isolator that is. Let's say in this instance, that would be DB3 lighting. DB. Copy, and this will be DB3 power. So that isolator will be DB3. And now it makes sense, isn't it? Those cables are the internal cables within distribution board. Probably not going to include them in reports. So that's how I use distribution board as an isolator. I will also update my cable references. So the main supply is 15,000. So my lighting be 15,100. And my power be 15,200. Now, as you can see that this board indicates the blue cross, that means there is no load. If I double click on this board and if I add circuits to it, that will disappear. But what I can also do, go to board loading method, go estimated load, and I'm going to go by load category. Now I will add category, let's say power, 30 amps. At power factor 0.9, lighting 0.95, 17 amps, and okay that. Now you see this blue cross disappeared because there is load applied to the distribution boards. All other distribution boards have no load. Just a simple example here, fire alarm panel. Let me just use again estimated load just to make it easier. By load category, I just say, let's say 5 amps. 0.97, and that blue cross disappeared as well. I can now perform some calculations. Thank you for watching.